Assalamu Olaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Mamun. I'm a content creator as well as English trainer. Today I'm going to teach you like three words. So what is the meaning of three words? So let's see and get into the video. So first of all, we have to learn this word like so far. So going to use how to use this kind of word in our daily conversation. So let's see how many sentences we can create. So far, that means like so far everything is fine, or you can say so far I'm happy with the result. So far I am happy with the result. So let's see, the another word is until now. If you want to use this word, you must have to use a negative sentence. But how? I'm going to make you understand whatever I have. I haven't seen him until now, or you can say I didn't know about it until now. Okay, you are getting my point. Finally, I would like to say this word like up to now. Up to now, that means I have already written this word on the top screen. You can say up to now everything has gone well, or you can say up to now I have finished 3 chapters. I hope so far you are watching my video. So till then, Assalamu Alaikum.